Squad, it's your boy C's and welcome to another episode of the vlog. Just got done with my conditioning workout and of course link below in the description. Now I still got a little bit more energy, so I'm going to do a little bit more lifting. You know, I took my conditioning indoors, so didn't like exude that much energy, so I'm going to do a quick little light lifting session because next week is our deload week, so I want to continue to push that meter, and just see where that potential lies. All right, so let's get into that. Strong start, but sort of a lazy finish, but we got it done anyway. All right, and now there's a ton of day left and a ton of work left, so no further ado, let's get to that. The weather finally starting to get a little bit better, but unfortunately for me, I brought my hoodie out, but it's like a nice warm little blanket. I ain't complaining. And yeah, just doing my daily thing. And as I do these little daily rituals or these daily habits, like go on long walks and meditate and listen to audiobooks, I suddenly realized, like, yo, this is what success is, day in and day out, doing exactly what it is that you love and what it is that you want to do with no constraints whatsoever. And you just pooling resources and optimizing that process as you go along, right? It's non-linear, success is like messy, it's grimy, you can, on a surface level, you could clean up the stores, put on your favorite gear, but what does the depth behind the scenes look like? And that's what people need to work on. Like, you need to work on the depth, like grow those roots and that foundation so that your daily habits get stronger and stronger and more beneficial to you and everybody else that you come in contact with. And day in, day out with this video series, I realized, like, yo, I am living this success, that I preach about, because I am doing what it is that I love and what it is that I want. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on it. Let me know what you think. I love having this discussion and this conversation and see how we can optimize this process together. All right. So every chapter in this story that you're writing, all right, or this movie that you're directing, there's going to be like these little lessons in them, and you never want to kind of rush that process because you miss the bigger picture, as they say, right? So just take your time and enjoy the process day in and day out, because like what you do now in the present moment is only going to structure what the future looks like. So every single thing that you do, even this message that I'm doing right now, will be directing me to that purpose, to that end goal. So I never want to rush this process, and I constantly got to remind myself through my own content, right? Because I always like to rewatch my videos and see how I can optimize, making them a little bit better and offering a little bit more value. Real talk, I just got interrupted by a phone call, man. And it's those sleazy marketers, man. I can't even hate on the game, but I was just in my little flow and then boom, this interrupting. And I am recording on my phone, so I lost, this valuable information that I was, bestowing upon myself. Anyways, almost time to get back to work. I'll see you guys in the next. All right.